supposed to be holding like, I don't know, 1,000 pounds on its own, and I can not even put my full weight on it.
These are the tools you need to complete this job. And also you need a jack stand. Oh well, this is not a jack stand, this is a jack. And you need a jack stand. There.
I just buy this car, so I don't know if an impact gun was used or what, but
they're way too tight.
they're too tight.
Way too tight.
Alright. They're all loose enough. I'm not sure how to get these on. To jack up the car. You like to jack it up first. Oh, there it goes. There you go. Perfect.
Oh, it is on. Alright.
Yeah. Alright.
Cool.
So here's the old shock. And you can see the spring. So what we're gonna do is take out the bolt here that attaches the bottom of the strut. And then up here, there are two shock tower mounts that we are going to be replacing. They're just inside the trunk. There are already holes so we can get to the bolts, and we will show you that in a bit. How is it?
It looks okay.
Yeah?
I think all the weight is on that now.
Okay.
And then use that on lower control arm.
Okay. Just has to touch it. Okay.
Yeah, let's film that. You look so pro, man, Ryan. Good job.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have
There it
decided
goes.
to turn off.
Okay, so it is out. So we have the bolt and the washer, and we have a new washer that we are going to use with this.
Cool.
So, and it's nice to have it at that level because then we can use the jack to like bring it up or down if the hole isn't aligning with the new control arm mount, or sorry, rear strut mount. There's one of them. The other one is back there.
Right there. So we undo those, and then the strut will be free, and then we'll take it out, put a new one in, and then we're done. I like your glove, Ryan.
Thank you.
Look how pretty your glove is.
It's helping me so much.
Your
right now.
glove is so pretty. It's so stylish. It's like,
Yeah. More
okay,
like.
sure. Okay, deep.
Okay. All right. There's one. Next one.
This one looks like it's a little tighter than the first one.
Yeah, but it's still not that
Tight.
tight. Do you want to undo it while I grab it from the bottom so it doesn't fall?
Sure.
Okay.
All right. Now, Ryan, you can now take it off.
There you have it. Here's the rear shock mount, which we are going to be replacing these shiny new ones. Oh yeah, hardcore.
So shiny. Whoa, those are really shiny.
Yeah, they look good, right?
Yeah, they do look good, but no one's ever gonna see them.
And usually, if you were not getting new shock tower mounts, you would not take off these bolts. You would just take off this single bolt. But you need to have like vice grips or something to hold these threads in place. Otherwise, you'll just be rotating both, and it will never come off. All right. So we have the new shock tower mount. But we are going to be reusing this metal part and that metal part. They're like big washers. And also you reuse the gasket that's on here. You're not technically supposed to reuse them, but plenty of people do, and it works fine. And then after we put that all back on, we'll also replace the washer that connects to the bottom part that goes right through here. And that's it. And we'll show you how to do that in a second. And you want to be careful not to be too tight here, because you can crush the threads if you're going to reuse the shock. There it is. Doing its job.
It's coming out.
Okay.
Well, I feel like I should let go now.
Once it's loose, you can just do it the rest of the way without the grips. Okay. And get the new bolts.
And these bolts are special, right?
Yes, they are locking bolts. So they have like plastic or something, some kind of material inside that hugs the threads. You don't want to have to undo them, and don't reuse them. And then after it goes into the car, we have some reinforcement plates, because BMW's shock tower mounts are known to tear easily, and these help distribute the load. And
Hey, look, guys. This is an Allen key. It's a better idea than the vice grips because look, they fit. So I'm not sure why the instructions we read earlier on said use vice grips, but yeah, it's probably better to use Allen key so you don't strip the threads here. This is the reinforcement plate that we're going to be using. You have to stick this. So you see Ryan has stuffed it back in. We're going to put this reinforcement plate right in between there and cool. Now the gasket's there, the washers are in, and the bolts are in.
all right. So it's officially in. We got it. All right, so the new strut's in. It's all tightened up down here. It's all tightened up top. Now all we have to do is put the wheel back on, and we're all good to go on this side, and on to the next side. Same exact process.
Both sides are on, and now we put the wheel back on, and we're done. So this is the old strut.
And you know they're bad if you can easily move them up and down. So this is how easy I can move this. This is supposed to be holding like, I don't know, 1,000 pounds on its own, and I can not even put my full weight on it. It's just,
Oh my god.
it's hilarious.
So yeah.
That's a bad strut.
Yeah.
Shocks.